This is Daniel. He's wonderful. And he is making toe rings.
Yes, I am, Ange. Oh, yes, I am.
Well, great. What's the step? Do you first peen them?
Ange, the first step to glamorizing your toes, laying them out on this block here. Katie beforehand peened these. Ange, the technical term for peened is smashing in style.
Oh, man.
Okay? I take the sprayer device.
Cool. Why do you need that spray?
And this makes it so that the toe rings do not tarnish. Tarnish meaning discolor or ruin your toe rings.
Oh, heavens.
I spray gently,
Like so.
layering it on, and
Got it.
put it back on the hook that Dad invented.
You see that? He just has little inventions all over the place.
This is a torch, and a useful tool in the shop. This controls the gas, observe,
Ooh.
and this controls the air.
What's the perfect flame?
And the perfect flame is one that does not hiss. You hear that?
Yes.
Hissing,
Hear it.
Ange. We want one that's a little bushy. A little bushy. Slight hiss, but not a powerful hiss. We don't want to go
Oh.
we want to just gently hiss.
I agree.
Okay, now we just caress the strips. Caress the strips, okay?
Now, I have a question.
Please, Ange.
What is that sterling silver I see?
This is sterling silver.
What if you keep the flame on that for a while? What would happen?
Ange, let me demonstrate what happens when you keep a flame on something for too long.
Don't demonstrate. Daniel! What is yours?
That is what happens to sterling
And that's
silver.
like Daniel gets
But we promote safety first in the shop, so as you can tell, we keep all flammable objects away from this flame.
As he's moving them.
Okay, now that I've gently warmed the heat up,
Love it.
now I'm using this silver solder,
So mine's the
and I'll do one for you, Ange. 'Cause
All right.
I know you're busy, you don't have all day, I understand. So
That's right.
I'll do one for you. I put one at the top, a little glob, okay? Another one at the bottom. And then I melt.
Notice the circular motion.
Circular motion is key,
even
Ange.
heating.
What a professional.
Notice how that
Flow.
just flamed right. Ooh, beautiful.
And then coming down here, flow.
Have you ever burned your hair?
Angela, I have burned
I
my
would
hair.
ask
I
you the
actually have.
same question.
Now I'm going to put on this gold fill strip, like so.
This is a very involved process.
It is a very involved process, okay? So now I go down, and I make sure the gold filled strip is connected, and ka-chow.
Love it. Oh, see how that solder has flowed and attached the metals.
Okay, Ange. Now the final steps are this. I'm going to cool this puppy down.
The hiss, fabulous.
I'm going to go around this mandrel. Like so.
You have to cover the ends.
And then I'm going to, right here, I'm going to get my flame again. Now let's remember, Ange, a little bit of a bush, slight hiss, and then I'm going to melt the solder onto the other end, to the other gold strip, like so. Make sure it flows. Okay. I'm going to cool this off again, Ange.
Sweet.
This part's a little bit more involved.
Okay, love it.
Okay, I'm going to clip this end off. 'Cause we
Those-
don't want to cut our toes. We do not want to cut our toes. Jewelry wouldn't sell like that.
That is so true.
Clip in, clip,
Angela, I'm sorry.
clip, 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 and I'll let this one make the noise.
Oh, now, can those scissors hurt your fingers?
They can, Ange. In fact, I got this scar. No, I didn't get that scar from those, but they can hurt you.
Nicole has a scarf.
Okay, now
Nicole
I'm
has-
grabbing this filer. It's good for the nails, good for the jewelry. It's a great tool in the shop.
Great.
Filing the edges. Filing the edges. Smoothing.
Oh my heavens, that is the prettiest toe ring I have ever seen.
Okay, Ange, it's almost done. Don't get ahead of yourself. Now, on this part, follow me.
Got it.
I'm going to use some different tools, Ange.
Come on.
I'm going to use this plastic mallet. I'm going to put my foot up here. I'm going to pound it around. Pounding it around. Okay?
Love
Making
that.
sure the toe ring.
What size is that? It's adjustable. What size
It's
do
an
you want it?
adjustable, but ends up at size 4.
Wonderful.
So that would fit on.
Oh.
You know, I'm not gonna put it on me because I'm not a fan of wearing the toe ring. And this is a hoop spy hand that generally goes in your ears, so this would not be a part of the hoop spy hand products. But I recommend that you go to Mark's Steel Jewelry and find out how you can get one of these lovely items. It's seasonal. It is summer. We do wear flip-flops during the summer season, and this will bedazzle your little piggies. I recommend. Very cheap, very affordable. And I'm just going to put that in the bath like so.
And what is that called?
This is called the acid bath, Ange.
It's
We
called the pickle.
tenderly refer to it as the pickle. But it's an acid bath that takes off all the impurities.
See how many
Things
he
that
has
collected.
made.
And that's how you make a toe ring. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Dan. You're the best.